For bracketing, let's put it in a new folder. That's actually kind of useful. Continuous bracketing, single bracketing. Continuous exposure value. Can it go, what was it, 2 or 3? Yeah, see, it does the same things, like, functionally in the software, the same as the A9iii, except it's just updated JPEG or whatever stuff, right? So, self-timer during bracket. I think for bracketed shooting, because it's going to be like nature stuff. I'm not going to, this is nature photo, yeah, but it's, the issue that I have with that the newer cameras is that they all have the same thing. It's like, yeah, new sensor, whatever, but in terms of functionality, you go to the film camera to digital because you don't use film anymore. Once it became digital, changed the industry of cameras, right? And then you go to the global shutter and it changed the industry of cameras, in my opinion. I can go uncompressed. I don't care. Number of shots. Composite shooting 32. Whoa, it's crazy. Let's do noise reduction shooting because if we're going to do that, we might as well, right? Silent shutter. Current and when power off. Okay, let's turn that on. Aperture drive. Aperture drive and autofocus standard. Okay, we gotta look at the release without card, release without lens, release lag. There's so many actually settings. It's actually kind of nuts. Steady shot. Just keep that on. Zoom. Grid line display. Turn that on, everything. See, it's like the same. It's the same settings. Exposure sets. Oh yeah, it should also work for my, because I have the adapter, so it should same. You know, should be. I think it's the same flash setter. Maybe, I think. I don't know yet. Anyway, let's go back. Aspect marker. What is the aspect marker type? I guess it's like the shooting marker display. Let's crank it up. Selection, top image, memo shot, memory shot, I guess, pre-capture shutter reel. Let's rate that at 1 star, just to top image. 5 star. So pre-capture shutter reel. Oh, this the top image, so the first image or the last image, I don't know. Bulb timer, ooh, auto ISO. Does it have, that's the stuff that I am very all about, you know what I mean? So let's go 250 to 12800, okay, that's fine, I guess. Range limit, oh, we can go even more? Oh, you can, the max, okay. Alright, so range limit, standard shooting. Ah, so you can make it so it doesn't go crazy or something, I don't know. Standard minimum. ISO auto at 18,000. Okay, we're gonna go for the slower standard to faster. We're gonna go faster. Exposure compensation, keep that as 0. Just a standard optimal images, not necessary. Yeah, don't need a metering mode. There's center, standard, spot standard, entire screen average, and highlight. Standard has spot large. Entire screen metering. Let's go entire screen average for right now. Face priority. Okay, on. Spot reading. Point focus, point link. EO shutter. Is it auto exposure thingy? Flash. This is the flash. I will get so excited for the flash thing, that's for sure. I'm not going to actually use a flash. I think I'll just use flashing lights because I have one that white balance. The white balance, it will be on auto, but for right now, underwater auto. Ooh, that's cool. But yeah, we're just going to do the custom temps. The temps still go at 9900K, I think, right? For my skin tone, I go 9900K, and then I go blues all the way. That's just because of my skin tone. If you're paler, you might go on you wouldn't go as high, but if you're in the darker skin side, I think that's where you should go. Shutter, white balance, capture frame size, okay, let's keep that large. Do range optimizer, creative look, let's keep that in the standard. Picture profile, no. Not available as follows. File format raw. I hate zebra displays, I'm sorry. I don't need it because I already know what's exposed, you know what I mean? Like, why would you need a zebra display if you already know it's too bright? The camera will show you it's too bright anyway. Like, okay, that's all the settings, cool, nifty. And we didn't even go to the autofocus settings is not even done yet. Oh my god, fuck. Priority set, autofocus, balance, emphasis, auto responsive, autofocus. I guess we'll go for the one locked on. Autofocus track speed change, we'll keep that on stable. We always turn off the autofocus illuminator. Preset zoom. No, I think that's for like autofocus with shutter on full-time DMF. I think that only works for some lenses. I don't think I'm going to need it since I'm not going to have a lens. Focus area, wide, zone, center fix, spot M, expand spot. I think this one you can expand it, right? Expand stock, custom. So actually we're going to go for the custom ones. And we're going to set the boxes to be smaller. And how do I make it, how do I rotate it? Well, we're gonna go with it's custom one just cause we can customize it, make it fairly small. Autofocus area limit. We're gonna have to turn off all these other ones, but I'm gonna do that later. Switch VH something mode. Nope. Focus area color. Let's keep that white or red. White. AF area registration. Delete registration. Autofocus area auto clear. EFC area display during tracking. Okay, that's on. AFC area display. Keep it on. not on manual, not available as manual focus. Okay. Circular a focus point. Circulate focus point. Sure. Autofocus frame move amount. Let's keep it large. Subject recognition on. Recognition. We'll keep it human for right now. Okay. Right, left eye. I can check the right or left eye.